Are you tired of searching for ways to make money online? What if I told you that artificial intelligence (AI) can help you earn money faster and easier than ever before? Yes, AI is not just for big companies anymore. It's for everyone who wants to make money online. Stick around because I'll show you the best and easiest ways to earn money using AI from your own home. Hello and welcome back to Global Nexify, where we help you master AI for a better future. Today, we'll explore the best ways to earn money online with AI. This video will break down everything into simple steps. So whether you're a beginner or have some experience, you'll learn something new. Number 1. Freelancing with AI tools. First, let's talk about freelancing. If you're good at writing, graphic design, or even coding, AI tools can help you do your work faster and better. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork are full of opportunities. For example, you can use AI tools like ChatGPT for writing content or Jasper for creating marketing copies. These tools help you create high-quality work in less time, letting you take on more projects and make more money. Number 2. AI-powered content creation. Next, content is king on the internet, and AI can help you create amazing content that people want to see. You can use AI to write blogs, create YouTube scripts, or even generate social media posts. Tools like Canva, combined with AI, can help you create stunning visuals in minutes. You don't need to be an expert. AI does the hard work for you. The more content you create, the more traffic you get. And that means more money through ads and sponsorships. Number 3. Sell AI-generated art and designs. Have you ever thought of selling art or designs but don't know how to draw? With AI art generators like DALL-E and Midjourney, you can create stunning artworks and sell them on platforms like Etsy or Redbubble. Just type what you want, and AI creates it for you. It's like magic, and people are willing to pay good money for unique designs. Number 4. AI for dropshipping and e-commerce. If you're into dropshipping or e-commerce, AI can help you find the best products to sell, predict market trends, and even manage your inventory. Tools like Oberlo and Shopify's AI recommendations can help you choose products that are in demand. Plus, AI can help you create product descriptions that sell, giving you an edge over the competition. Number 5. Automate your business with AI chatbots. AI chatbots are a great way to automate customer service, sales, and support. You can create your own chatbot using tools like Manicat or Chatfuel, which can handle customer inquiries 24/7. This means more satisfied customers and more sales, all while you sleep. AI is not just a buzzword. It's a tool that can help you earn money online in ways you never thought possible, whether it's freelancing, content creation, e-commerce, or automation. AI is opening up new opportunities every day. So, don't wait, start using AI today to boost your income and take control of your financial future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on how to use AI to make money online. Drop your questions in the comments below, and we'll be happy to help you out. Let's make money with AI together.